come to a Vaillant turbomax, no hot water. So we open the hot tap, boiler's not even registering a demand. Take the case off, undo that, pop the flap down. Let's have a closer look. Open the hot tap, have a look in at the micro switch. Micro switch isn't even making. I manually override it, fires up, so we know it's the diverter valve that's gone. So if we see on this one, that's the little lever that goes down to make the micro switch. The cold water goes in that way, up through the diverter valve on a diaphragm, which then pushes the lever down to make the micro switch, and that's how it fires. So on the old one, lime scale would probably ruin the diaphragm or it's split. So pop the new one back in, open a hot tap, and away it goes. Another one done. Happy days.